we're going to be making a video using the Windows 10 integrated camera app. So what you're going to do is go to the Start menu, open it up, go down to Camera. From Camera, we'll be able to see ourselves. We're going to make the video, but before we make the video, what we're going to do is we're going to open up Settings. I'm going to scroll down here to Video Settings. Now the video settings, they have a number with a P next to it, which is the resolution. We want the highest resolution we can get at 16:9 with 30 frames per second. In my case, it's a 720p camera at 16:9 with 30 frames, so that's what we select. And that's about all we really need. So we can click that, close the settings out. Now we're ready to record our video. So we go over to the buttons on the right. There's two buttons. One is for making a video and one is for photos. We want the video button, so we click the take a video. It allows us to take a video screenshot here. This is my video. Hello everyone, good to see you. When you're done making your video, you're going to hit the stop button. You get a preview at the bottom right corner. We're going to open that up in our case and look at it. And hey, there we are. That's great. I can test it. And to make sure everything works the way you're expecting it to work. Once you're done, you can open up the file folder. Under the file folder, you have a section called Pictures, which is under your quick access, but it's probably also under this PC, Pictures. Open that, open Camera Roll, and then I can see the video that I've made. I can open it from there. It's the same video, looks great. So now we're ready to upload it. So in order to upload it, we're going to open up web browser, close all those things that I don't really need, and I can go to drive.google.com. You're going to do the shared with me, and you should have a folder that is called FCC Videos. Once you get to the FCC video folder under the shared with me, you're going to click New, File Upload. You're going to pick the video that you want to upload. In my case, mine's under Pictures, Camera Roll. There's the video we just made. It'll start uploading. As it goes, you'll see over on the right-hand corner, there's a little blue bar that kind of follows the gray. When it goes all the way around, it'll say finished uploading. You'll get a little checkbox that says, hey, it's complete. And so then you'll see your video. In my case, here's mine, just uploaded at 10:30. And that's all you need to know. All right, thanks.